This vehicle has a mind of its own. So if he won't even pay attention to you when you're holding on to his face, standing directly in front of him, well, then he's not going to magically listen to you when you swing your leg over him. You're sitting in his blind spot. So I want to get this horse's respect and undivided attention before I ever get on his back. So just like that, we've been through preschool. He was willing to move away from us over obstacles. We went through kindergarten. He was willing to back out of our space, respect us, the brakes work. And we went through first grade, where he was willing to lunge for attention. He was willing to give his face left and right. The steering wheel works. Now, the last thing we're going to do in first grade is we're going to drop his head down like so. And I do this by putting one hand on the nose band, my forearm on his forehead, and right above his poll, there's a lump of bone. Right behind that, there's a soft spot, and I'm going to ask him to drop his head. I want to keep two hands between he and I because I don't want to get summer teeth. You know what summer teeth are? Some are here, some are there.